Hey everyone, Greg at Clearwater 124. This is scratch build number 8 in the series I'm doing. This one I built in mid 24 maybe. June of 24. It is a 1958 Thunderbird that is kit bashed. I got these red parts in a box of junk that I bought off Evil Bay or somewhere. When I got it, all the parts weren't there. So I had to scrounge around and find some other parts, interior and a door, a grill I think I had to find, maybe a rear bumper. I'm still missing a tail light, or that is somewhere in this room. And if you can see the girl, she is flipping you the bird on the way by. So yeah, so this is a kit bashed 1958 T-Bird. No magnets, 125th scale, scratch built brass chassis with tongue depressor mounting points for the interior. This was when I was experimenting with different ways of doing things. I'm looking at this rear bumper. I don't even think this is the rear bumper for this car. That may be off of another model. Anywho, let's run a few laps with it. 1958 T-Bird convertible. It's pretty fast. Ooh, up on its side. Don't want to damage that paint. Damn. It's a rough looking machine, but it's fun. And I built it that way. I built it to be fun. And it says, I'm not going right now. I don't feel like it. Try it again. Oh, that's way over there. Holy crap. Gonna use a big stick. Oh, we'll knock the fence down. Come on, go in the groove there. Help me out. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. We need some braid work here, possibly. Like I said before in earlier videos in this series, these cars do not get run that much. So some of them need some maintenance. An oil change. Some braid juice. Yeah, this was an early chassis build. It looks pretty good. Fun building them. See if we can keep the shiny side up. Not that this has a lot of shine on it. pretty quick. Not a car I normally would have built. I forget it was like 5 or 6 bodies in the box. I forget what else I got. I think Mike from Big Oak got some of the stuff. I think there was like a maroon Jaguar XK, maybe. Fox body Mustang. A couple other things, I think. This is the only one I kept. Searched around for months, found the rest of the parts for it. I think I kept it because it was convertible, and I hadn't built the convertible yet, and I wanted to build a convertible. Thing about scratch building, there's a lot of cars that you can't find, meaning slot cars. Scratch building, if you can find a model, you can build whatever you want. I have a couple of models that I'm looking for. Actually, I have 2 really. I really want a C5 from the Le Mans years. The yellow C5 with Ronnie Fellows and those guys. And I'd like to have that as a slot car. I have the kit to build it, but I would really like to have it as a 1/24 scale slot car. And then the other one that I want to build is a 69 Javelin. And Javelin, 1/25 scale Javelin models, if you find one, the prices are outrageous. I mean, completely outrageous. But those are the 2 that I'm searching down right now. 58 T-Bird, junk build. Fun to build, fun to drive, fun to look at. Thanks for coming by, guys. I'll keep doing these as long as you keep watching and commenting and giving me likes. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.